In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a recipe, which basically means that event has passed, but you don't want to delete it. You want to be able to go back and look back on that. If you want to delete it, you definitely can. If you know that there's no reason that you're ever going to need that combination again or to know what ingredients were in that bouquet, that's fine. But you click on the recipe and then you just click on that little archive button. Now, up to the top, you can click on Show Archived, and now they will all be in there in order of when the events were. So for me, I made a bunch of market bouquets for Easter, and I have that recipe on there, exactly what they were, what I used. And it's really nice for things like wedding expos or trying to remember what you brought last year to a certain event. But you can just go ahead, archive it, and then it's there in case you ever need to go back to that recipe. Think about what it was, and then you can just unselect the show archived, and there it is.